Hey guys, my name is Ava. We're here with Ava Revere, my YouTube channel, where we talk about health, wellness, and today we're making our own deodorant. This is an easy, cost-efficient way to make your own deodorant without paying for overpriced deodorant at the store if it's supposed to be healthy, but it's full of toxic fragrances and things that are endocrine disruptors. So this is the deodorant. It's two ingredients. It's oil, magnesium, and essential oils. I am a certified aromatherapist, and I'm also an herbalist. So I'm going to be showing you how much to add in here, and yeah, so let's get into it. Here's everything you need to make this deodorant. So first, you need a container. I bought a pack of 3 of these off of Amazon. It's really beautiful. It has this like brass top. And then we snap this on once we're done. I will link this in the description box below. Next, I have my magnesium spray. This I bought at my local health food store, but I'm sure you can get this anywhere. I will link this in the bio as well. And this is a pure magnesium oil spray. So just make sure to get pure magnesium chloride brine. That's the ingredient in here. And then I just have a couple of essential oils. This is Nioli, and then this is Acceptance by Young Living. This is a blend I've had for a while, and so the medicinal properties are gone, but we're just mainly looking to just have a nice scent and a nice fragrance. And we want to use essential oils because synthetic fragrances cause a lot of problems. So let's get into it. This is super simple. We're just going to be pouring the magnesium in here. And I actually need to get some more magnesium, so hold on. I have a new bottle now. And this essential oil, it actually dissolves right into magnesium. And so it's really good. And don't fill up all the way to the top because you want to be able to fit your roller ball back in here. So now, let's see how big this is. I think we want to put around 30 drops or so. I think this is about 2 ounces, so I think that should definitely be enough. And now I just want to smell this to see how it smells together. It smells really good. Alright, so now you just snap this in, and look how nice that is. And now I'm going to shake this. And the only thing with these specific containers off Amazon is if you close it too hard, it'll crack like this one did. So just be careful with that. And now I'm just going to shake, 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 shake. And now I just want to get, oh wow, this smells really delicious. Okay, thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I highly encourage you to make this at home because it's so easy and simple and fun. So comment down below if you have any questions, comments, what you want to see for content in the future. And thank you so much. Please follow and subscribe. Bye.